think that some people is have the problem like this in the city such as the Bangkok. The passenger will need the taxi, but the most taxi, some people deny the passenger, and sometimes when the passenger need to the urgent case like him, go to the hospital, but some of the taxi is deny him, and some the people need go to the airport, but cannot because it don't have the taxi on the road. This case is have in the many city, but the Distar taxi system will solve this problem. And how to solve this problem? We will go to see the solution. We go together. First of thing, after I'm on the car, I must be to identify myself to the system by the driver license. Or in some country that use the driver license by the RFID. And after that, the control center will know who drive this car. The solution of the Distar is one is a monitor, and two is a camera, and three is evaluation the back seats for the passenger to put the score for the driver is good, available or poor. And beside of this one of the monitor that include the meter inside. When the driver get the passenger, just press start on the screen, and after that the system will show the driver information, the names, surnames, driver code and driver license, and after that it will show the fare rate, times and mileage. Beside of the taxi solution function, the system can place the navigation for the passenger that order to any place that the driver never go. For example, the driver can choose the destination of the customer and press, and after that navigation. System will help the driver voice guidance from here to the destination.
Head north, then turn left.
That means the system will make sure the passenger will on the destination by the correct way. When the driver drive on the way sent to the passenger, the e-meter will working and show the price of the fare to the passenger on the way. When the passenger on the destination, the fare it will show the rate, times and mileage, and the fare cost that the passenger must be paid to the driver, and the driver just press the stop.
Thanks for your ride. Please assess our service on the left.
And the system will summary the cost to the driver. That means amounts, times mileage, surcharge, equal fare, and the passenger can put the score for the driver.
Thanks for your assessment.
And beside of that, the system can to check the history about the cost and the trip that the passenger called this car. For the calling, when the passenger calling to the system will show the phone of the passenger that called, and the driver can call back, but the driver cannot to know about the passenger number. just press and call back. This is the Distar taxi solution. The solution that designed for the user that can monitoring by the real time and compare the static of the historical that record in the server. This is the chart that can to show the online vacancy, attendance and non-GPS. It can to show the information that by the real time and to compare the data from the historical that for the monitoring can easy to understand and to control the system. This page is for the monitor. This page, the user can real-time online monitor every car in the company, and each car will show the status and separate by the color that the user for the monitor can easy to understand how about the status of the car. Besides of the real-time monitor, this system can communication with the driver by the voice call or IP call and the message. Besides of the communication, the user that monitor can get the information about the picture by the snapshot or the video, and the user can control the device on the car, for example like a LED display or the camera and any option that install on the car. This for the playback page. This page allow the user can recall the historical of each car in the company. Every car that send the data back to the server, and after that, user that monitor can recall the historical of the route that the user focus. And this page, beside of the show the historical route, can show more information such as the speed, the record, or the video if the car has the accessory like a camera.